welcome back. I'm gonna be getting ready today to go to UWI Carnival. It's the first time I'm going to UWI Carnival. For all the new viewers or people who are just not familiar with that, it's a carnival that happens here in Jamaica at this college by the name of UWI, and today is when they have it. They have it once a year. It's before the actual big carnival road march, you know, so yeah, I'm gonna vlog it. I'm starting off with my brows. Usually I don't even include my brow portion, but today I feel like doing so. Now I'm just gonna show you guys the brows and then I'll get into the eyes. If you guys need a detailed brow tutorial, one is linked below, so check it out. I'm gonna kind of just run through this portion, okay?
Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business, I will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes.
I'm gonna go in and base my eyelids. So I'm using my Royal Beauty palette today. And I'm going in with this green here, this one. My outfit that I'm wearing is like, you know, this is giving me teal vibes, and my outfit is like teal vibes, like greenish. So now I'm gonna cut my crease.
Make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
I'm just gonna do a half crease today with this. I'm gonna use a little bit of black on the edges from the same palette. So I just wanna go in with a flesh tone color on the lid area. I'm going in with this. Beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want. Bringing the green in some over on the black that I added. I'm literally just gonna move on to liner.
Bad man na me they run down. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man me na give her the pipeline. Give me not the vibe.
Definitely, I'm wearing my dramatic lashes.
On the floor, people them applause, singing and rapping. I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane.
I'm gonna speed up throughout the face portion, so I'm not gonna talk. All right.
And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, yeah. I want to meet you. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body baby. Vehicles. Let's go.
Vehicles.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can.
I'm just gonna spray my face now.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Standard. Hurricane, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah.
And of course, you guys know I'm gonna go with nude lips. Nothing but nude lips.
Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business.
And of course, you guys know that I'm gonna be doing gloss today. Definitely. So I'm going over top of that with my Black Radiance gloss.
One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me not give her one time.
Guys, so I'm just gonna quickly, because I'm kind of running behind time, I'm gonna just mist my hair with some water. So this is actually a wig from RPG hair. Okay, I wore this when I competed internationally the other day at the Pan Am Games. So it's so convenient, and I feel like this is the most convenient wig to wear right now.
I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to meet you.
Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this get ready with me. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys a full outfit. So if I don't get to do a video, then I'll insert the pictures. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So stay tuned for my vlog. It will be on my vlog channel. So bye.